Out in the estuary, 10 Cents and Sunshine delivered their fuel to Lily Lightship. "It's great to come out and see you, Lily."
"Thank you, Sunshine. Always nice to have company. Speaking of company, he doesn't seem to be very sociable."
"Who do you mean?" Lily motioned towards a dark tramper anchored near the rocks, who was of course the well-known smuggler Johnny Cuba. I wonder what he's up to. Maybe he needs a tour. I'll go up towards him and see if he wants one. Alright, I'll secure these empty oil barges. Captain Star will be pleased.
"I don't think you should go, Sunshine. He looks rather dodgy to me."